Hello, today we gonna make a birthday card. We need some markers, a A4 size paper, and another letter sized paper, a glue, and a scissor. We will take the letter sized paper, we will fold in half. We will turn it to here. And now we will draw for the cake. And the out part, like I cut. And on the corner, we will glue it. And now we will keep this part because we will use it. Now here we will get it with our scissor. And now we will open it and we will push this inside. Like this. Now we will cut it, but we will not cut it like this. We will put our scissor in. And now we will do the same step with this one. And now we will open it and put this back. And we will close it. And this is our cake. We will just open it off. And now we will decorate it. And now on the cake, we will put some sprinkles. And now we will put this to the side. We will take this part. We will open it like this. And we will take a marker and we will draw some candles. And now with our scissors we will cut it. Now, on the card, we will use the glue and we will glue them. So we will not glue it here, we will glue it up there. And now we will take the A4 size paper. We will fold in half. We will open it. And this card, we will close it and we'll put some glue on it. And on the other side. Here we go, we made a birthday card. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye!